Hey there, I'm ABC News meteorologist Melissa Griffin, and I'm tracking severe weather today, so let's get right to the radar. So we have a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings down in the southeast from Mississippi all the way to Georgia, up to Missouri, Tennessee, and then right there in that pink, that's where a severe thunderstorm watch box is for central to western Kentucky. So now all that activity is ahead of this cold front here. As you see it dipping through Missouri, down into Oklahoma, into the southern plains, and we're watching for that main area of severe thunderstorm development from Ohio through Missouri into parts of the central to southern plains and through the Ohio Valley. Kentucky right in that area as well. That's why there is that severe thunderstorm watch. So let's zoom in just a little bit more in here. We've had some hail reports in parts of Kentucky, also down in the south, but you can see that line starting to form there. So that's where Louisville has seen some hail, even some flash flooding. And I want to just show you real quick here, anywhere where you see those pinks and purples, that's where hail is likely falling. I think golf ball size hail has been reported with this line of thunderstorms. Nothing bigger than that so far, but we are watching the threat of the severe weather to continue as we head into the evening, even into the overnight hours with that flash flood threat really developing, and I'll show you that in just a few minutes. But first, let me show you where the threat is for the severe weather. So this is where the front moves east tonight. You see from Wichita, Tulsa, up through the Ohio Valley, Evansville, Indiana, through Cincinnati, but that flashing brown area from Springfield, Missouri to Evansville, that's where we're really going to be watching for the biggest hail, the highest winds, and of course that isolated tornado threat. So that's through tonight into the overnight hours. Now by tomorrow that front pushes south and east, and we'll be watching the southeast, even the Gulf Coast from Louisiana through Jackson, Mississippi, Memphis, Nashville, and up again into Kentucky. So now this is for your severe threat tomorrow. Again, that flashing brown, Jackson, Mississippi up to Nashville. We'll be watching for isolated tornadoes and extremely large hail, and that's for your day tomorrow. Now, it's not just the severe weather with the system, it's now the flash flood watch. Now we have flash flood watches and flood watches stretching from Kansas all the way through Missouri into the Ohio Valley, Charleston, West Virginia, even up into Buffalo, New York as the system continues its eastward motion. So let me show you the rain forecast. You'll see that bullseye is right there in the Ohio Valley. Again, mainly Kentucky area, Louisville, right in the bullseye for what's going to be 3 to possibly over 4 inches locally of rain. So be really watching that. These flash flood watches are in effect from tonight through the overnight hours and throughout your Friday. So we'll really be watching for those training storms and heavy rain over and over again to affect some of the same areas over the next 24 to 36 hours. As always, stay tuned with ABC News and we'll always keep you up to date on your severe weather. Thanks and have a great night.